In my past shorts, I have discussed about finance, I have talked about financial planning, I have talked about budgeting. So, in basically, I have discussed about these. But at times, it is being confused that financial planning and budgeting is one and the same thing. It is same but not exactly same. It basically, you can say financial planning is a small part, is a bigger part, in which budgeting is a small part of financial planning, in short you can say. Because if you talk about financial planning is basically a process in which you consider the financial goals, that is the goals you have in your life, you consider those goals, you develop proper strategies to achieve those goals. That goals could be related to your future planning, related to your house, your education, anything related to that you have goals in your life. It could be connected to that, and you are developing strategies to achieve those goals, and you are continuously monitoring your progress. So that means financial planning is a bigger and a wider term as compared to budgeting. In budgeting, you are basically simply making budgets of your money. That is the money you are receiving, you are basically making the budget in the sense of the income and expenditure of yours. So budgeting is a small part as compared to your financial planning. So you can say financial planning is a wider term and budgeting is a part of this. So these tools helps individual make an informed decisions about whatever he's spending, whatever he's savings, whatever he has the investment options available with him, and the borrowing, from where he could borrow money. So these are the things in terms of financial perspective an individual have to make the decisions. So financial planning helps you in this, and you can say budgeting is a part of financial planning. Thank you.